Get ready for dictation, please. 5 seconds. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, the issue now debated and discussed in this House is being discussed in each village and in each poor family in the city. Sir, this is not limited to price rise of the essential commodities or food grains. There has been price rise in respect of all the items required for infrastructure and other items required for day-to-day life. The government took over hardly 2 months back. It is not expected that a government can tackle price rise within 1 month or 2 months or 5 months because price rise has become a regular phenomenon for years together. People should believe that the government is determined to check price rise. Revising railway fares and freight charges just before convening session of Parliament does not speak well about the intention of the government that the government is keen to reduce prices. We have seen that leaving essential commodities to the vagaries of market forces of demand and supply leads definitely to price rise. Public distribution system has a definite policy for market intervention in rice, wheat and sugar. So there is a need for the government policy supported by legislation and infrastructure for management of these commodities. All these should be managed by a designated agency who can handle the procurement and marketing of these commodities. This designated agency should be controlled and funded by the union government, and the state government should accord cooperation and coordination through the identified state government undertakings for managing the state level distribution. There is a serious allegation that wholesalers and traders are primarily responsible for the price rise, and much has been said about the Essential Commodities Act. Amending the Essential Commodities Act will not solve the problem. In the meeting of Council of Ministers, it has been decided that onions and potatoes will be brought under the purview of the Essential Commodities Act. Sir, only small shopkeepers are selling onions and potatoes. If you go on arresting the small traders, the problem of price rise will not be solved. It can be discussed in different forums, and a method should be developed to find out ways and means to check price rise. Sir, I would like to make a small mention of corporate social responsibility. All the public enterprises and several corporate enterprises in private are trying to spend certain amount as per their whims and fancies. There is every necessity to closely monitor the implementation of such corporate social responsibility to be of great use for the improvement of the society. There is every necessity to have certain system to evolve certain monitoring authority from the state or the central government so as to understand how exactly it is giving the results. So far, there are no such arrangements to check the implementation of the corporate social responsibility. So I would like to know through you, sir, from the Union Finance Minister, whether they are going to propose any mechanism to involve certain government machinery to understand the exact implementation of the corporate social responsibility schemes, as well as involving the members of parliament and members of the legislative assemblies and other members who are there as public representatives. They are not in the know of developments that are happening through the corporate social responsibility. There is every necessity for involving public representatives in organizing certain schemes so that they will be much more useful and nearer to the people. I would like to know from the minister about that. Sir, the suggestion made by the honorable member appears to be a very good suggestion. We shall certainly consider this suggestion with all seriousness that it deserves. Every company is supposed to make an entry in its annual returns that it files about the amount that it has spent on corporate social responsibility. If some companies do not spend it, then they are to give reasons which will also be a part of that return. Those reasons will be examined as to why they have not given it. Now, the regulatory agency which deals with it is the Department of Corporate Affairs, which certainly will look into the suggestions which the honorable member has given. Sir, actually my question is about the new act that has come into being. A new provision was made to expand the responsibility of corporate social expenditure for community development and other developmental projects. I think the modality mechanism, a full-fledged mechanism of implementation of this serious point, is yet to take a full shape. Having said that, I want to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister to the fact that for the public enterprises as a company, there is already a system to monitor their expenditure, rather grill them in different standing committees also in other forums about their corporate social responsibility expenditures, and it is being done. But I think the non-PSU companies are just obliged to make a statement in their balance sheet mentioning the total expenditure made in this regard, how they have spent money, whether it is at all a corporate social responsibility or in the name of corporate social responsibility they are promoting their business. I think if all these are not properly monitored, the whole purpose of this clause stands completely defeated. I do not expect that immediately after the passage of the Act, the whole thing will be in position. I would like to know whether the Honorable Minister is seriously going to reconsider the corporate social responsibility, which practically speculates the necessity of a company operating in the Indian soil has got some responsibility to the society. For this concept of closely monitoring their spending, whether a foolproof mechanism would be evolved involving the people's representative and some accountability on that matter has to be established. I think just mentioning that we have spent money is not enough. That will not serve any useful purpose. I want to know whether the Honorable Minister is going to consider that.